Well, good morning. My name is Norman with Air Duct Cleaning in balmy Charleston, South Carolina, where we're having 45-degree weather and a clogged dryer vent as identified by the dryer repair technician. And I've already been up here and looked, and sure enough, there's a lot of stuff in there. We're going to get it out and restore the airflow to the dryer for proper performance. It's going to be a little messy because we're up on the second floor and our shop vac cannot reach up there to snatch the residue as it's being forced out of the vents. But it'll also be interesting to see how much stuff can be hiding out in there. So I've got my electric drill, my dryer vent cleaning wand and 4-inch brush, working our way up here to the exhaust port. And here we are, getting close. And I am pre-positioning some extra wands here. And we know we're going to need them. There we go. There's just no easy way to do this that you're not going to get all linty. Nature of the beast. So now we're going to add another section of wand. Lots of treasures. And another section. We have had to do this on dryer vents as long as 80 feet. And when you get in there and you start to feel some resistance, doesn't mean you've gone all the way. It merely means you came to an elbow. And if you're not spinning the brush, it will not go through an elbow. We're spinning the brush clockwise. Like a screw. There we go. Through another elbow. That means we're actually into now, because we know the distance, actually into the tubing between the dryer and the exhaust port connection, and we're not getting anything more out anyway. Now, one thing you do not want to do, you do not want to reverse your drill and go counterclockwise, because you'll unscrew your wands and never see them again. until you surgically excise them. Best way to do that is just walk down and do it on the ground. And there we are. So we used, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. This was right at 12 feet. We went in there to get to that. And we now have a clean dryer vent. And it's really cold up here. Thank you, and hope this helps you. Bye-bye.